Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. You would have seen in the last video a few things happened in Langkawi and it ended up a terrible rainy day. I didn't get to the cable cars, I didn't get anything. But look at this. Turned out it was for the best. What a beautiful, amazing day. Fish jumping, just beautiful. So we're going to eat our breakfast and then we'll get out on the road, get up into the Langkawi highlands. Well, we're ready to start the day. Beautiful day, guys, after yesterday. So all the things that went wrong yesterday that led to me not going to the cable car and things, it was the world looking out for me. Because look at this, blue skies, it's 8:30 in the morning, it's already hot. Perfect day. I got a full belly. Beautiful day. I'm excited, guys. Let's go and explore the Langkawi highlands. Monkeys everywhere all along this road. And they're different to the normal bitey ones that you see everywhere. They've got beards. And they don't seem to be as aggressive. Just everywhere. Guys, now we're more in the more posher part of Langkawi. There's just all these beautiful resorts everywhere, this marina. We're about to enter the area of the Langkawi Marine Reserve, which I'm guessing is no fishing and stuff, a protected area, but it's been explained to me that it's the best scuba diving in all of Malaysia. And I don't know if the GoPro's showing it, but up the hill there, I can see where we're heading. Up on the cable car up the mountain. But we've got 6 minutes to get there according to Google Maps. Let's go and do it. Guys, what an amazing ride, really. Well, we are here. Came at a good time by the looks, because the car parks are pretty much empty. I don't know how much it's going to cost me to park. I'm guessing pretty expensive. They just give you a plastic card. But let's go and find the sky train up to there, the cable car up to there, and then I think there's a glass bridge, one of those glass bridges that they have everywhere. The main one I remember was at Bandar Hills in Vietnam. And this is the Oriental Village. This comes up in a lot of touristy websites and things, but really I think it's just a bit of a place for tourists to spend money. I think, I could be wrong, but let's go in and have a look. Well guys, that was 85 ringgit, which is about a bit less than 30 Australian, so a little bit less than 20 US. So expensive day, but that's all right. It looks like it's worth the ride. I can't believe the weather I've got today. So lucky. We haven't been very lucky at all going in cable cars with the weather, but today's just beautiful. Now, the grey ones, you can see this one coming down here, grey in colour. They've got glass bottoms, and they wouldn't let me in it because it cost extra money. I said, there's no one here though, they're just going up empty. She said, no, you've got to buy the other ticket. So, no glass bottom. Look out behind me, guys. Langkawi. I'm not sure how many islands, but it is a big group of islands, and the one we're on is the more popular one for visiting. Amazing. Really, I'm so happy that today's such a nice day, because yesterday we would have been in the clouds by now. We wouldn't have seen anything. Just so, and that's the sky bridge you can see just there, guys. I think it's believe me, it looks a lot more impressive from here than it does on the GoPro. Wow, really guys, just wow. This was worth the trip to Langkawi on its own. Look at this. Well, that was a bit disappointing. It's not open. This one, it's not open till next year. Oh well, that's life. I'm a bit disappointed. It's the longest freestanding, where does it say? The longest freestanding in the world, but I'm not really sure if that's right, because the ones that we went to in, oh, where was that? Oh, when Janet and I went up north. Sorry guys, I'm having a mind blank. Yeah, when we went to Monkey Mire, we saw the big ones there. Maybe this is a little bit longer than that, but I don't think so. So it's the same cable car you came up on, but you just get off on that first bit to see where I just was. Bit sad that the sticking out bridge wasn't ready, but that's alright, can't be helped. Look at this guys. Unbelievable really. What a day, what a place. Langkawi. Scuba diving, some of the best scuba diving in the world. Some great resorts here. When I used to book stuff on Luxury Escapes, there was always stuff coming up in Langkawi, but I didn't know what Langkawi was, but now I do. Just amazing guys, what a day. I keep saying it, but wow. I can't think of any other words, but wow. Unbelievable guys. I think they call this an archipelago, I think that's the right word. It's the little viewpoint I was on before. This one's the highest point on the whole island, I'm guessing. Unbelievable. Oh, and I haven't mentioned this before in either video, but this whole archipelago is a geopark. Unbelievable. Now, is it worth paying another $5 or $6 Australian, so $4 or $5 US, to walk across that bridge? Well, you can walk to the Sky Bridge for free, but to get the little funicular train, the little cable train, it costs you about $3 US. And you know me guys, about as lazy as they come, so let's go and get the train. And here it comes, ready to take lazy old me down the hill. Oh well, after going on the scary one the other day, where was that? Yeah, I can't remember. But yeah, this one's, oh, in Georgetown. This one's nowhere near as scary as that. Okay, so I was umming and ahhing whether coming out here was worth the extra $5 Australian. I'm a cheapskate, but it's worth it guys. Definitely worth it. It's not the glass bridge I was expecting, but there's a couple of grass patches up here I think. You can get photos looking down at the ground. Unbelievable guys. What a morning. Well, I was planning on doing my laying down on the glass taking a photo thing, but the glass really is dirty, you can't see through it. It won't take very good photos at all. Look at that guys, unbelievable. There was I read something on Google the other day about a glass bridge breaking somewhere. I'll have to look that up later, find out a bit more, but yeah, I think someone plummeted to their death from a glass bridge. And guys, they've done an amazing job here. This is at the end of the Sky Bridge. The lookout. Yeah, every place you go, it's a different view. Truly, truly unbelievable. It was worth the $30, guys. It was a lot of money, but it was worth it. Steepest sky cab in the world. longest free span. Oh, that's the bridge. So the bridge that I couldn't go on is the longest free span in the world. So the one at what's that? Well, anyway, yeah. Anyway, up when we did the Monkey Mia trip, it can't be as long as that one. Wider though, or maybe it's different because it's wider. It was had 2 spans. I'm not sure, but anyway, you'll have to go back and check out the actual bridge. Is the thumbnail in the West Australian series when Janet and I went up to Monkey Mia to see the dolphins. Look at this. Look, and that's just more. All the horizon is just all islands, or whether it's the same island we're on, I'm not sure, but unbelievable. Well, that's a glass bottom one in front of me there. I actually got in that one. And look, they made me get out. Anyway, guys, that was worth it. It was probably around $22 US. But it was worth it. Down there, there's the sky bridge down there where we were. Look at this, guys. And look at this weather. I know I've mentioned it a few times, but I can't believe it. After yesterday, we get this beautiful, perfect day. Thank you to the travel gods. And from what I read up the top, I'm pretty sure this is the steepest cable car in the world. And I can believe that. We're going down at a pretty rapid angle. Yeehaw. Oh, you guys will be getting sick of all this footage by now, I guess, and me waffling, but oh, I can't believe it. And I didn't notice on the way up, but there's a waterfall down here. I think that's one of the things on my list, but I can't see any way of riding there. And you know me, guys, I'm not a hiker, so I'm not sure we'll be seeing that, but I'll do my best. If I can get there, I will get there. Oh no, it's like IKEA. I've got to the bottom of the Sky Cabin. We're in the gift shop, but yeah, you can't. You've got to walk the whole gift shop like in IKEA. Really well done. Guys, if you're wondering if, because it wasn't cheap, but if you're wondering if it was worth the money, I'd say yes. Fork out that little bit for the day and you won't be upset. And you could have spent more time there than I did. Where's the toilet? Thank you. And guys, now we're back at the bottom. Well, that was only half the day exploring. I ended up doing the full lap of Langkawi for the island. But yeah, I've already made a video. If I put the whole thing in, it's going to be about 25 minutes. So I'm going to finish up here, make 2 videos for the day. So if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.